How to change ringtone on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Click on Menu, which is located at bottom right corner of your screen. Simply click on Menu, then click on Settings at the top. After you click on Settings at the top, scroll down. Scroll down and you will find Notifications and Sounds. Click on it. Now, click on Ringtone at the bottom. After you click on Ringtone, you will find all these options pop up. Select any ringtone you want as for your messenger. Select one, there should be blue dot, and then go back. The ringtone will be set. This is how to change ringtone on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.